of a sudden our lives came to pause, and everything on earth had stopped, and all because of an unseen enemy. The world is at war, and finally all races united, all as one embraces. And little by little we start changing our ways. It started slowly, for there were longer days. We prayed like a family, we stayed together. At home we cried and we embraced each other. Content with seeing friends on a small screen, we joke and laugh, but deep inside we wanted to scream. Worry not, my friend, it is not the end. Just call to him and make amends, for there are everyday heroes in our midst. Who are you, everyday heroes? No capes and costumes, just a mask, and we don't even see the faces, only their smiling eyes. Everyday heroes. No matter how bad things can get, there's always something good. Not just yet, we only have faith, and you will see all will be well for you and me. Someone once said, everything has a good ending. If it's not good, it's not yet the ending. Oh, there are everyday heroes in our midst. Who are you, everyday heroes? No capes and costumes, just a mask, and we don't even see the faces, only their smiling eyes. Everyday heroes, Filipinos, everyday heroes, Filipinos, everyday heroes, No matter how bad things can get, there's always